Alright guys, so we are heading out to sell this truck. It's the last time I'll be in it, with it, for a while. Time to move on. Yep, it's my 2003 Silverado. It used to be my parents', but they were gonna sell it and I didn't want them to sell it at the time. So I ended up buying them from them. But now my mind has changed and now it's time for me to sell it because I got other things I want to do in life. So yep, I already have too many vehicles and one down would be better for me. So yeah, it's gonna go to a good home. That's a good thing. Okay guys, on the Banana, just filling it up and then heading out. Gonna show y'all the inside real quick. Okay, vámonos. Alright guys, well that's it for this video on the Banana. Until next time, peace!